The Rocking Horse Winner by Edward Adamson. Histogram, the mother. She's a woman that wanted to find things in life. She believed that luck means you had money, and if you're not lucky, then you don't have money. She was very greedy. She also didn't care that much for her kids, but when she was out around town, she would betray that she was a good mother and everyone thought so too beside her kids. Paul Graham's son. He wanted to be lucky because hearing his mother call his father unlucky and he wanted to quiet the house from saying there must be more money. He would get on his rocking horse and rock so he couldn't get the prediction on the winner of the Derby. Oscar Goosewell, I'm the uncle. He is the only member of the family that have money. He always talked down to his husband about not having money and not doing what he's supposed to be as a husband. He also gambled off Paul's prediction about the Derby that one day would be the death of Paul. Materialism theme, money. Paul asked his mother, why don't we keep a car of our own? Why do we always use uncle or else a taxi? And his mother replied, because we're the poor members of the family, because your father has no luck. She felt like if they had luck, they would have money. And I also think that it was really a greed thing, cause like his mother always wanted. She always felt like if she had money, she could have keep the finer things in life, and and always keep up with the rich people. But she was staying above her means. But only if she would have known that her greed and not paid attention to her family and really to her son, that it would one day cost him his life. Thank you.